Hi guys, this is a continuation of lesson 1. We're looking at Algebra 1/2. This is the third edition. The one thing that I forgot to show you on this was adding. So we're going to talk about money. The easiest way to learn adding is, especially with decimals, is to do it with money. And so the Saxon book often refers to that. One thing I want to talk about is if you have 25 cents, you can write it two ways. You can write with a dollar sign, 0.25. You have a quarter, right? That's how you can write it. Another way that you can write it, and you may see this, is 25 with the cent sign. As an adult, I rarely see the cent sign used, but you will see it in math, so we need to make a difference between these two. If you're using that dollar sign, use your decimal for your cents, right? Use your decimal for your cents. If you're using that cent sign, don't use a decimal. That's no good. Don't use a decimal with that. That's because what you're doing when you say 0.25 cents, you're telling me you're giving me a quarter of 1 penny. You're telling me you're giving me a fraction of a cent. So do not do that. How you want those to be written is 25 cents, okay? Now, just as a reminder, there are 100 cents in a dollar. 100 cents equals $1. $1. So when you see something that says 9 cents, I don't even know if it goes at the beginning or the end. I think it goes at the end. It goes at the end. If you see 9 cents out of 100 cents, that's going to be 0.9. 0.9, okay? That'll be $0.9. If it's 90 cents, that is going to be in the dollar form 0.90, okay? Be really careful. Those single digits are pretty tricky. Those are going to try and trick you up, okay? So for example, we have for example number example 1.7. No idea why my camera goes in and out of focus. Sorry about that. Okay, it says add up $2.54 plus $5 plus 9 cents. 9 cents. Okay, so with that said, what we're going to do is there's a whole bunch of things in part of math that are called invisible math. And one of those invisible math is, or one of those assets of an invisible math is when you see a number without a decimal, the decimal is at the end. So in the case of this 5, that decimal is at the end. Now, when we're adding and subtracting decimals, you've got to line those up. So even though the problem is written like this, when we go to do it, we're going to rewrite it. 2.54 plus, and again, that decimal's at the end, so we're going to line it up. And for me, I like to put some placeholders in there so everything's nice and lined up, okay? Now, for 9 cents, again, remember that that is written as 0.09. 0.09. So we're going to come back over here and we're going to do plus 0.09. Okay, and put those placeholders in there so it's nice and organized. Now, we go ahead and add straight down. We're going to get 3, carry the 1, okay? 5 plus 1 is 6. When we're adding and subtracting decimals, we bring that decimal down. 5, 6, 7. We got 7 over here. And our total is $7.63. $7.63. Excellent work. Excellent work. That should be it for those. If you have any questions, let me know.